I was wondering where you went to shoot.
Yeah, I tried to get more light on it, but it didn't really turn enough.
Yeah, well, I've shot from here a number of times. I've never shot this far back in the lot, but
Yeah.
I knew that the cars were going to be. The only way I could figure out to shoot these was to watch. I had my finger on the shutter, but I was literally watching the couplers come across the stop sign. It's like, because otherwise it's just not enough to identify with.